People often talk about the campus life at BITS as exciting, enthralling, and a learning experience. But people tend to forget those who have been living this campus life for decades, making Pilani what it is.
There's something very interesting. During our times in 84, all the Bitsians had a typical look. Everybody would be in tone jeans, and we would have that blue bathroom chapel. And we could be recognized, the Bitsian fraternity could be recognized anywhere, wherever they are, in any platform.
Even I remember on these roads now, from this Yuko Bank to this Connaught or this roads, they were full of students and gang of students going on.
So when I was a student, the year I joined, we did have computers. We had a mainframe computer in the IPC, and it was a mammoth task doing anything on that computer. We had to do programming in Fortran, punch cards and whatnot. We had to book a slot. So it was rather difficult. Not many people really made use of the computers. Now it's much easier. I mean, everybody's got his own laptop with internet connection and whatnot. So lifestyle of the students has undergone a very significant change. But otherwise, their basic character remains just about as it. That is the cultural influence.
मीरा बनर्जी थी, मीरा भवन की वार्डन इतनी सख्त थी, लड़की ऐसे थकाती दोस्ती थी उनसे। कई बार तो मैं उनकी ड्यूटी में जाता रोती थी, 11 बजे बाद नहीं घुसने देती थी, पूरा इंटरव्यू लेती थी उनको।
We had courses like STD, Science and Technological Development. We had museum studies. We had ET, Engineering Technology. Those courses, you do not have any idea now what these courses were.
Life was, there used to be one English movie, one Hindi movie in the audience every week.
There was no technology. The best time they would spend was on the statues which are here, Gandhi statue, Patel statue. So we will all flock and watch people moving. We'll play there, we will talk, and instead of just sitting in Connaught, I think this was a very nice place to sit. And also there would be no place at all. It was so clean, and we had a lot of memories with the statues attached because so many discussions would revolve around the place. So that was a very typical thing of our life at BITS Pilani then.
That time it was unassigned admission, 5-year course after 11th. So first year it is all common. After first year they will separate humanities with science and engineering. Then third year they will separate science and engineering also. And fourth year you will be given the particular branch. So I was given mechanical engineering.
We had a strike here in 1973. The one and only strike. I mean, the others, there have been another one or two minor strikes, but the significant one was that. And the highlights were lathi charge by the police and the visit of the former Prime Minister, Chandrasekhar. He was an MP at that time. He was called a young Turk. So it lasted for quite long. I think almost about 18 days or so.
मैथ्स में ये चेंजिंग आई है कि पहले जो सेल सर्विस थी, अभी सेल सर्विस चल रही है। और पहले हमें जो संगमरमर के पत्थरों की टेबल थी और बेंच वगैरह रहते थे, तो हम लोग क्या करते थे कि चम्मच वगैरह पोंछ के और वो थाली लेके एक बंदा जाके ऐसे टेबल में यहाँ पर जैसे पूरा टेबल भर जाता था, उसके बाद वो वहाँ से एक एक थाली ऐसे खसकाता था उधर से। और जब कभी जैसे आप पराठा के लिए जनता यहाँ खड़ी रहती है तो जनता उठती नहीं थी, थालियाँ गिलास टन 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 बजाना स्टार्ट कर देती थी।
Everything seems harmonious superficially, but various stories still remain untold.
Friendship, what you really call friendship, less friendship among the students compared to the earlier times.
स्टूडेंट पहले कंट्रोल में थे, अभी स्टूडेंट कंट्रोल में नहीं है।
देखो मेरी लाइफ क्या चेंज हुई पता है क्या? मैं पहले जब जिसको मैसे 5,000 रुपये मिलते थे ना, और मैं ये सोचता था जिस दिन मेरी 5,000 रुपये तनख्वाह जाएगी ना, उस दिन मैं भी अभी रात में जाऊँगा, लेकिन आज मेरी 15,000 रुपये तनख्वाह है। मैं वहीं का वहीं हूँ, क्योंकि बिट्स वाले वो आंकड़ा लगाते हैं, सुनो, वो आंकड़ा लगाते हैं कि अगला बंदा वहीं का वहीं खड़ा रहता है, इतनी बढ़ाते हैं अगली।
BITS Pilani has achieved a great name in making students academically capable and self-sufficient. But we are still a long way from making this Pilani experience equally beautiful for all its inhabitants.